Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nakho, and if you're new to this channel, you are very much welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this beautiful family. And if you're my returning subby, you're my day one, you already know what time it is, so please say it with me, baby, welcome. So in today's video, guys, as you know by the thumbnail, darling, it's a hair video, and Asteria, I think they call Asteria, I hope I'm not calling it wrong, they sent me this 5x5 unit, which is an HD lace with very thin knots, as you guys can see. I hope this thing focuses. Yeah, great. With very thin knots. I didn't bleach it, I just put on foundation in it. They sent me this stunning unit. It's 180 density. It's a 16-inch. The cap is medium size. The curl pattern is to die for. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. So in this video, I'll be pretty much showing you guys this video, of which I didn't even do much on it. What do you mean I'll be showing you guys? I didn't do anything to it. Like I said, it's a 5x5. It's an HD. It melts so beautifully with your skin. What lace, what glue? I didn't even use any glue, and it comes with an adjustable, with an elastic band to make sure it's sitting there, it's tight. The curl pattern, amazing. Shedding, literally no shedding at all. Obviously it's curly hair, you're gonna get like few strands, whether it's 1 or 2 or 3. That's all you're getting, okay? And I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It suits me very well, and it has like really tiny knots, guys. I promise you, like if you take a close-up look, the knots totally tiny, totally invisible, and it's full. It's a 180 density, by the way. It's very full, and I didn't do much on it actually because I don't want to do anything. I think I actually like it just like this. I feel like for me it's perfect just like this. You can go in with your conditioner and water, and if you're looking for a wet look, I don't want a wet look today. I want to keep it kinky, thickish, and fuller, okay? Because I think that works. That works for me. So this is the unit. I'm gonna put all the details on the description box. They have other amazing units that you can look for, whatever that is you're looking for, whether it's straight hair, whether it's shorter hair, longer hair, color hair. They do have those, so please do check out on my description box. And if you want one of these units, and I feel like this unit is very convenient, especially if you are a working person, you want something just to put on and quickly rush out of the door, this is the wig for you. No glue needed, none of that heavy stuff needed, none of that admin of putting a wig on. All you have to do, put it on and leave. It's your everyday wig. Yo, listen, my get out of the house wig, okay? You're going for errands, put on your wig and show up. You still look amazing. Put on a wig, go to work, you still look amazing. You don't have to do so much work. That's it. In fact, you don't have to do any work because you just put it on. That's it. Literally, okay? So yeah, all the details, guys, will be on the description box. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, so that is the hair from Asteria, and I am just pretty much unboxing it. So it came in that package, and the hair is HD, and it's 180 density. It's a medium cap, and it's a 16-inch, a kinky curl. So this is me pretty much just showing you guys how the wig comes, and how it looks inside, what to expect. You're gonna get an elastic band, a wig cap, and pretty much a wig. And yeah, that is me just showing you guys everything, and I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell. And yeah, right now I feel like I just want to show you guys the length, the curl pattern, and just kind of stretch it out, and also show you guys the knots. This hair comes with pretty tiny knots, and it's an HD, therefore it really matches your skin. It's gonna look like scalp without you even trying hard. There's an elastic band. It's a glueless wig. And yeah, that is me just taking my foundation and my beauty sponge and just rubbing the foundation on my lace. Please put on a foundation that matches your skin tone. And I'm going in with my scissor and just cutting off the excessive lace. As you can see, there's still a bit of whitish color on the lace, meaning I didn't do well with my foundation, therefore I will be going back in with it. And I'm just showing you guys the length, how long it is, and how it looks on me. I did my makeup and I blended it so well, and look at that. I think it looks absolutely amazing and it suits me pretty well. And yeah, that is how the wig looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I ate and this wig looks amazing. Any details about the hair, guys, will be on the description box, so do check them out. And yeah, thank you guys. So guys, I have decided to put some water with conditioner in it. So this side there's water, and this side there's none, just to show you guys that even with water and conditioner, this hair still keeps its curl pattern. This is just basically water with conditioner, nothing much. I'm just showing you guys the wet look of it and the dry look. So there we go. You see, your curls are more relaxed and longer on one side, and they are quite puffy on the other. But the curl pattern still there, still intact, still beautiful, still amazing, still beautiful.